All right, now this. After hearing oral arguments in former President Donald Trump's presidential immunity case, justices on the conservative-leaning U.S. Supreme Court are signaling that the case could return to a lower court, which may delay the trial.
So meantime, in a Manhattan courtroom, the former president's hush money trial will now enter its 8th day. NBC's Bree Jackson has the latest.
The U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments on whether former President Donald Trump is immune from prosecution in the federal case accusing him of plotting to overturn the 2020 election results.
If you don't have immunity, you just have a ceremonial president.
Prosecutors refute Trump's claims, arguing that the former president's actions were only for personal gain and should not be shielded from prosecution.
The framers knew too well the dangers of a king who could do no wrong.
Trump's legal team insists that his efforts to overturn the 2020 election were official acts taken in office, and without criminal immunity, a president cannot make controversial decisions without fear of being charged.
Without presidential immunity from criminal prosecution, there can be no presidency as we know it.
Liberal justices express concerns about a president having total immunity.
I'm trying to understand what the disincentive is from turning the Oval Office into, the seat of criminal activity in this country.
Conservative justices raised questions about how this ruling will impact the office of the presidency moving forward.
Will that not lead us into a cycle that destabilizes the functioning of our country as a democracy?
Former President Trump spent Thursday in a New York courtroom where he faces criminal charges of falsifying business records to cover up hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. He denies any wrongdoing. In Washington, Bree Jackson, NBC News.